Hello, my name is Teresa Johnson, and my current event is on homelessness compared between women and men. Is there social justice and resources available for homeless men as it is for homeless women? Defining home. Researchers define home as a place where a person is able to establish meaningful social relations with others through entertaining them in his or her own space, or where the person is able to withdraw from such relationships. Statistics on homelessness. HUD's annual point-in-time count shows that a total of 552,830 people are homeless in 2018. 67% are individuals, 33% are families with children. Males make up 70% of this homeless population, and women make up about a third of this population. Women versus men homeless, the cause. As we can see within both columns, all of the causes are the same, except for one. Women suffer relationship abuse, and oftentimes they have to leave the relationship quickly, so oftentimes they find themselves homeless. Women versus men homeless, social support and resources. Women are more likely to have contact with relatives and more social support than men. Women with or without children often achieve more financial assistance and low-income housing, where men that are homeless do not have those resources available to them. Social workers and homelessness. The mission of social workers is to enhance human well-being and help meet the basic human needs of all people, with particular attention to the needs and empowerment of people who are vulnerable, the homeless, oppressed, the homeless, and living in poverty, the homeless. Social workers' social change focuses on issues of poverty, such as homelessness. Social workers strive to provide clients with access to needed information, services and resources, equality of opportunity, and meaningful participation in decision making for all